gonna miss you.
Pardon my dog, she don't like my RCs. I think we did a good job there, no pros. So now, the tread from those guys and the tread on these guys, we're going to take it to the trail in the next video and see how she does. So if you're new around here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate your views, I really do, but we got to get those subscriptions up. Please subscribe, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe button and let's grow our no pros community. Remember, I'm not a pro, so if I can do it, you can do it. Y'all be easy. Peace.